Hello guys, Navinmesh welcomes you. In this video we will learn how to make 3D prints from Fusion 360 models. First of all, create component in Fusion 360. I will create helical gear. Now, open the Ultimate Cura application. Come back to Fusion window. From menu bar select the tools on Go to Make. Select the 3D print. Select the components whom you want to print. In dialog box select Cura in Print Utility and press OK. Go to Cura, gear will appear. Adjust your settings as per your printer and requirement. If you want to know how to set the settings, let me know in the comment. I will make another video on it. I have Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. It's very chipset in price with nice printing quality and accuracy. Insert SD card. From File menu select the Save. Or simply click on Save to removable drive, and click on Eject. Now enter the SD card in printer and select your file, and print it. Thank you for watching video. I hope you learned something new. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Knowledge is key to success. See you next time with new video.